and welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna test our POPOSOAP Waterfall Box Kit. Show you what I ordered here. They make all kinds of really nice products for solar powered waterfalls, and they also do little fountains, and they got a really nice variety of products. So I'll put a link in the description and you can check them out. I just temporarily hooked this up here to test the product out to see and make sure it works before you go to all the trouble to install it. It's always a good idea to test your pump and see how the actual flow is. You don't want to be surprised. Go through all the trouble and make sure everything works before you go. Here we go. Let's check it out. Ooh, a lot of volume coming out of there. That is nice. Now the pump does have a flow control on it, so you can turn that lever and increase your volume or decrease your volume. It comes with a net bag to put over top of your pump. And there's little suction cups on the sides of the pump here, so you can fasten it to the side of your tub if that's the way you're going to do it. Now let's see this flow rate. That's slow. Nice. Yeah, I like it. It's quiet, which if you elevate this, you'll get more sound as your water splashes. And that's nice, especially when you're sitting out at night by your pond and you just listen to that water trickle. It's so relaxing. Helps you forget about anything bad that happened during the day, or just having a little nature. Even the sound of water in your garden attracts birds and wildlife. They can come get a drink and get a chance to enjoy their visit. Makes it nice. You got a little sound there. It does attract more birds. I noticed that. When my little stream's trickling in the morning, the birds come, they hear that. And it keeps your water fresher too. You can put some kind of plants in the back here, and their roots will filter out a lot of impurities in your pond. It's important to have a balance in your water. Aquatic plants, and you can add a couple fish after you get an ecosystem started to build up. Then you can either put bioballs in here or some kind of aquatic plant that has a lot of roots that spread out and filter out the impurities. It's a nice product. I like this. I got a nice place where I'm going to install this tub over here by my in-ground pool in the patio area, and even though we have a pool there, I think I'd like to have a couple fish over there so I can look down off of my balcony at the little garden here. And I haven't decided how high I'm going to put this yet. I might build it up and make a small creek, or maybe I'll just do something like this. I don't know if I'm going to have it exposed or concealed yet. We'll see, but it's very attractive, so you do not have to hide this. It's not gonna look bad. All right, there you have it. POPOSOAP. I'll put a link in the description. You can find them on Amazon, and they have a website of their own you can check out, and I suggest you do, because they have a lot of really different products. Some really nice stuff, so check it out. All right, this is Warrior in the Garden out here.